Hello and welcome back to our C programming series. Today we're diving into one of the most crucial parts of programming, that is input and output. In this video, we'll explore how to display output using printf, take input from users in scanf, and understand how to use format specifiers effectively. By the end of this video, you'll confidently write programs that interact with users. Let's get started. What is input and output in C? In C, input refers to taking data from the user, while output involves displaying information back to the user. These are essential for creating interactive programs. In C, we achieve this using functions like printf for output and scan for input. Let's start with printf. Displaying output with printf. The printf function is used to display text and data on the screen. It's part of the sto.h library, so make sure to include this header file in your program. Basic syntax of printf. The format string specifies what to print, and the arguments are the values or variables to display. Let's see an example. In this program, the text inside the double quotes is displayed on the screen. The /n at the end creates a new line for better formatting. Using variables with printf. Now let's use printf to display the values of variables. In this example, %d is a format specifier for integers. %.1f is for floats, rounded to one decimal place. We'll discuss format specifiers in detail later. Taking input with scanf. To make your program interactive, you can use scanf to take input from the user. Like printf, it's part of the sto.h library. Basic syntax of scanf. The format string specifies the type of data to input, and the variable tells the compiler where to store the value entered by the user. Let's see a simple example using scanf. In this program, the scan function waits for the user to type a value and press enter. The %d specifies that the input should be an integer. Format specifiers. Format specifiers are essential when using printf and scanf to handle different data types. Let's go through some common ones. Common format specifiers. Here we have 3 columns. Data type P, format specifier, and example usage. First is int, and its format specifier is %d. Second is float, and its format specifier is %f. Third is char, and its format specifier is %c. Fourth one is string, and its format specifier is %s. Last one is double, and its format specifier is %lf. Printing multiple data types. You can combine multiple format specifiers in a single printf statement. Let's see how. This program displays an integer, a character, and a floating point number all in one line. The format specifies %d, %c, and %.2f ensure correct formatting. Common errors with printf and scanf. Let's discuss some common mistakes and how to avoid them. First is forgetting the and in scanf. To fix this, always use before variable names in scanf for non-array variables. Second is mismatched format specifiers. To fix this, ensure the format specifier matches the variable's data type. Use %d for integers, %f for floats, and so on. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Use printf to display output with format specifiers like %d, %f, and %c. Use scan to take user input, ensuring you match the correct format specified with the variable type. Always remember to use in scan for non-array variables. Best practices: always validate user input to handle errors gracefully. Format your output for readability using escape characters like /n. That's it for today's session on input and output in C. Practice writing small programs to get comfortable with printf and scanf. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. As always, leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.